Yeah, if you are a civil engineer, this is one great package that I'm going to recommend for you any day and any time. This is called the GreYpiLes. This is very great package. It has been rebranded to make your workflow easier and even faster. All you need to do is to type in the column load, type in the depth of your pile, type in the safe working load, the concrete cover, your column size. Let's say the column size here is 230, and then the pile diameter is 600. I'm going to leave it like that. The blinding thickness. Then you put your reinforcement yield strength, your characteristic strength of your steel, characteristic strength of your concrete, your pile diameter, bar diameter, pile main bar diameter. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Your column, it's in X and Y. So if you have the cross section of your column, if it's square, let's say it's 230 by 230, it's in millimeter. So our spacing factor 2.5. So I'm going to leave everything as it is. All you need to do is just press on enter, and you see automatically it will generate, give you the plan view. As a matter of fact, it even gives you the cross section of this. Now, what will blow your mind the most about this is it will specify the depth of your pile cap depth. It will give you a reinforcement, although you can play around that reinforcement. Then it comes here, it tells you the number of piles. Obviously you can see from the cross section here, it shows you that you have 2 piles, right? If you come to your pile cap check, you can see everything passed. Everything has passed. Everything has passed. Then let's go down to the detailed drawing. It automatically generates a detailed drawing for you. It also comes up with your bar bending schedule, which is very great. So if you are a user of Staad.pro or any automated software, you all agree with me that coming up with your pile foundation sometimes is a whole lot of stress for most persons. So this is another easy and faster way to come up with your pile foundation design. All you need to do is to know your axial load of your column. Once you know your axial load of your column, literally almost every other information you are inputting here is from your soil report, because your soil report tells you the depth that the pile is supposed to go. It tells you the safe working load of that pile. It tells you the cross section of the pile. So what other information are you looking for? All you need to do is just to know the size of the column. Definitely the size of the column you used in your design, you already know it. So all you need to know specifically is just to check from that your, let's say for example you are using Staad.pro to do your design, or you are using Orion 18 to do your design. Just check the axial load, and you all agree with me there are some softwares that also are limited. You may not be able to do a pile foundation with it. For example, a very good software like Quicksilver series cannot give you pile foundation, and so many other softwares that are limited to pad foundation. So this is a quick way to generate your pile foundation automatically. All you need to just do is just to know your axial load, and axial load is something you can check from any design software that you're using. And then all you need to do is input that axial load here, and boom, it generates the cross section, tells you how many number of pile that is required, and then it also gives you the detailing as well. So all you need to do, you can also export the detailing to DXF. Once you export that, you can open, it takes you to the file location, then you can open that detailed drawing here. Just type Z, enter, E, enter, boom. You can see it has gone to the as far as even generating the pile itself, showing you the reinforcement that are going to be on that pile, and then the length of the pile. All you need to do is just to fine-tune the detail drawing and then work with it. But the most interesting thing about this is the fact that it can tell you how many number of piles that is required on your each pile cap, and then it also propose the cross section. It tells you rather the cross section of the pile cap that should be used, that is safe in your design. If you think these GreYpiles is something that you may like, I'm just a DNA. It is going for just 15,000 naira. So hurry and place your order now, and then we will get this to you as soon as possible. Please place your order and thank me later. My name is Abel Greykantuma, and I will see you on the